We're getting ready for those beer can burgers. Woo! Getting that chimney going. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ryan's Weekly Barbecue. Today we got one of my personal favorites. One of my kids love it, so we're going to be doing a couple of beer can burgers today. Something that I've only done a couple of times. Did it once a week or two ago, and it just turned out amazing. I think I'm going to try another little trick with this one, but let's go ahead and start. We're also going to go ahead and do a couple of regular burgers for my wife and my daughter, just because they don't like all that I make, so it is what it is. We're going to make a couple burgers for them. Me, a couple of beer can burgers. Let's get to it. So for my beer can burgers, do the same thing I did with the other one. Kind of smash it down on the plate. I try to get it into a somewhat of a circle, I guess. Take my beer can, find roughly the middle. There, looks good. And as you can see, there's not near as much meat over here, but there's a lot more on that side right here. So you always can take more off. You can always just move the can around. All I do, molding that meat up around the beer. And then ideally, slowly, be able to pull that puppy back out. That right there ain't that big of an issue. Mold it back as you need. Then, if I can get it open, we're going to take this slice here of bacon and a Q-tip, wherever my kids put them. Just need a few. Okay, too many. All we're going to do is we're going to take this bacon, wrap it on around. I try to get mine to overlap just enough where I can take this Q-tip, not Q-tip, this toothpick, pierce it all the way through. Not that bad. Going right through. I'll take some of this sweet mesquite jalapeno. Kind of get all over, outside, inside. Mushroom Swiss. Whew, gonna make me sneeze. I say it's more of a dust, so it kind of goes up in the air a little bit too. Actually, my neighbor, whew, yep, that went up my nose. My neighbor gave me this one, and I'm real curious to use it. Because he liked the seasonings I was using, so he went on Pit Boss website and ordered some. This is the Smoke Infused Whiskey Fruit Wood. So it'll be the first time I'm using it. I'll definitely be able to let you guys know how it tastes. So I'm going to make one more burger, one more beer can burger, and I'll see you guys down at the pit. Alright guys, we're down here at the pit. Charcoal chimney's just about done. Go ahead and throw it in here. Not really using it as the offset today. Using it more as a charcoal grill. We're still going to be putting chopped wood in here. Alright, they fall down in there. Woo-wee! Get some of these grates back on. This one. Put over here. I'm not going to use it. If I need to, I can always move these directly over the heat if I want more direct heat. And that actually works too, because I can still get wood in there. I can use direct heat or the indirect heat method over here. So we'll go ahead and let these warm up before we get the meat on. Alright guys, it's up to temp. I know it's up to temp, I'm still going to throw a piece of wood on there because I like it. Now 2 burgers, we're going to do a little bit more direct. These bad lads, let's sit back a little bit. They're going to take a little bit longer to cook, which is fine by me. So just so you guys can see, King Griller by Char Griller. It's not the greatest offset. It's done its job though, through many racks of ribs, pork butts, steaks, burgers. As you can see, got the wife's kid burger done. I haven't really done anything with these yet. They're sitting just about the right distance away that I like. So I'm going to let them sit there a little bit longer until that cheese melts, and I might give them a little rotate so they get a little bit of heat all the way around. But I'm going to let them keep going. They got some time left. You guys a little bit different view. There's the coals over here. Turning out pretty nice. Bacon's cooking pretty good. Bacon's really cooking good on that one. Yeah, it's definitely keeping its shape a lot better than this one over here, which is perfectly fine. We'll still throw some cheese in there. Definitely don't have all the other fixings that I enjoy throwing in these, but we'll go ahead and get the lid closed and check them back out here in a little bit. All right, let's check on these bad boys again. So that one, I don't know what's going on with the bacon with that one. The bacon still looks pretty good. But this one, color on it, it's almost just right. We'll go ahead and throw some cheese in there. Get the one on the left there. Cheese. Alright, here we go. We're just going to fill her on up. Now, normally I like doing some cheese, some diced bell peppers, some banana peppers, even some jalapenos. You can fill it with whatever you want. But I don't feel like going to the store, so all we got is some shredded cheese. So, normally, let's go ahead and get the lid closed on this. Let that cheese melt and the other one cook a little bit longer. We'll pick back up, hopefully when one of them's about to come off. Alright guys. Alright everybody. Ooh, looking good. Look how good that cheese is melting on that one. We're going to go ahead and throw the cheese in that one while we're out here. That bacon is finally looking like how I like it. Try to get a little bit more in there if I can. Woo! You know what? I enjoy cheese so much. I'm going to top that one off a little bit too. I'm going to move it back a little bit. Maybe even move this one forward a little bit. I'm going to let them sit on here and slowly cook and cheese slowly melt until it's time to take them off and try them. That first one right here, it's going to be mine all day. I mean, they're both for me, but I'm definitely eating that one first. Alright guys. Get these bad boys off of here. Always remember to set your beer down. Whoo-wee! Looking delicious. Go ahead and pull this one off. Ooh, knock that one around a little bit. Cheese is pouring over the side on that one. Alright. Alright guys. Time to go ahead and see if this tastes just as good as it looks. See if I did as well, if not better, hopefully, than the last time I did them. At this point, sometimes you never know with the grilling. But if you enjoyed doing it, smoke on, grill on, barbecue on. You can see. Even got a little bit of smoke ring on it. Not much. Has just enough flavor of the seasonings, cheese, bacon. Don't forget. Pull that out though when you're eating. So I'm gonna grab one more. Tastes amazing. You can do it a couple different ways. Eat it just like it is, like I did. You can throw it on a bun, bread, whatever you want. But hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead, hit that subscribe. I've got more coming for you guys. Hit that like button. Let me know. Drop a comment. Give me a tip, maybe. Critique it. I'd encourage critiquing. I'll take pointers, hints, criticism, anything, you name it. So, see you guys next week.